What's up, everybody? Stay tuned. Today we're going to be taking a look at, you got it, the 2008 Chevy Tahoe right here at Rogers Enterprises. All right, everybody, so here's our 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe with LT package. Now, this one is a favorite of mine out here on the lot today. We always have a great selection of Chevy Tahoes, but what makes this one different is, first off, the lift kit, the upgraded tires, and just a beautiful vehicle. I mean, the paint is in pristine condition, very clean. Interior looks great. Also has the upgraded LED headlights up here in the front. And again, the lift kit. It's a little hard to tell in the video right now, but it's got some size on it. It sits up nice and high. Beautiful set of BF Goodrich all-terrain tires with the 20-inch alloy wheels. And you just can't go wrong with a good-looking Chevrolet. 5.3 Vortec under the hood, V8, plenty of power to get the job done. I mean, the front bow tie looks great in gold. It's not all faded out at all. You got good-looking fog lights down in the bottom there. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. It's been well maintained from whoever owned it previously. And now we've got our hands on it here at Rogers Wranglers and also Rogers Enterprises. So anyways, these are your stock 20-inch polished aluminum alloy wheels. And then size on your BFGs are the 285/65 R20. And those are the Baja Champion, I think the K02s as they call them. So good looking tire. We actually put those tires on a lot of our Jeep Wranglers out here at the store. So it's nice to see something a little different on a Tahoe. It is four-wheel drive. It doesn't say Z71 and all of that, but it truly does have the dial inside to switch it to the four-wheel drive. Navy blue, also got the chrome package, roof racks up top. But again, you can probably see it. Look at all the wheel well right there. You got some size going up above those tires. Then the bigger tires, which make it sit up a little bit higher. So it's got a nice stance about it. Backup sensors, tow package. Now this one doesn't have the screen in there with backup camera and all, but there's your third row seats. Does have captain rows right here, DVD, and man, nice cold AC on these hot summer days right now in August 2020. Charleston is definitely pushing almost 100 degrees today. Does have the footsteps down here on the bottom. Power windows, power door locks. You got your Bose stereo, heated seats, memory seats. But I mean, look how clean the gray leather is. Power seat, lumbar support. I mean, just a beautiful vehicle. I mean, this is the creme de la creme of Tahoes here today on our lot. Steering wheel looks great. Mileage on it, I know you're wondering, you got 186,804, so 186,000 miles. But there's your four-wheel drive dial right there. Very clean. And as many of y'all know, don't let the miles scare you too much. 186 on a 5.3 Vortec Tahoe is not gonna hurt you too bad. You know, a lot of the Tahoes we have out here are gonna have kind of around that range on mileage. And just very clean. You have your opportunity to get one. You're seeing it. What a beautiful vehicle right here today. So anyways, guys and girls, let me know if you're interested in this one. I'm Chad in sales at Rogers Enterprises, also Rogers Wranglers. Let me know if you like this. Price on this one's probably going to be somewhere around the $15,900 range, or best offer. We do offer on-lot financing as well. So if you're in the market for one and you want one that looks like that, give me a call, stop by the store. We do on-lot financing with no credit check. Just put some cash down. You'll be pulling off the lot in this beautiful Tahoe today. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching the review on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're at. Make sure you hit that like. Have a good one.